What's up guys, I'm Bldg of OPENPINOY and today I'm going to show you how to change the IP address of OPU series IP camera using the OPU NVR. But before we start, please do subscribe on our channel and hit the notification bell and be updated to our next content. So without further ado, let's go! So why do we need to change the IP address of the IP camera if it's plug and play already? So basically, we want to maximize the benefits of the security camera by changing or using a static IP address because it gives more stability and more secure, and also to ensure that the IP camera is always assigned the same IP address within the firmware of the camera. Static IP address are important as they prevent intermittent loss of CCTV service, which can potentially cause a major security breach. So in this video, we are going to use the OPU VIP2K 4PoE IP camera and the OPU UHD 4K-X08 PoE NVR. We will access the IP camera and change the IP address using the NVR without using software or search tools. Click the Home button and go to Menu. Under the camera setting, we can see the default IP address of the IP cameras. Just click the gear logo under the Network Configuration and delete the default IP address. Then type the new IP address you want. Once it's done, click the subnet mask as it will automatically be filled. Default gateway will also be automatically be filled. Then click Apply. Just do the same with the other IP camera. Let's add 1 on the IP address to what we changed earlier. So if the end of the IP address is 10, let's change it to 11 until we change all the channels or the available cameras. Now go to Network and change the PoE NIC IP address. Just copy the network ID of IP address of the camera and put 1 on the host ID and click Apply. And now, go back to the camera settings and wait for the status to turn blue. That means the cameras are now online. And that's it for today's video guys, and I hope you learned something, and please give us a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you will be updated. See ya!